Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Our Christmas gift to you this year is the 12 days of Waxmas. You're going to be getting a new video from us every day now up until Christmas Day. So I really hope you enjoy the videos. And as always guys, take care. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching that earwax removal video today. So this is day 9 of the 12 days of Waxmas. So we're almost at the finish line now. You can see that this patient has some very, very soft wax. We're using the standard size ulnar tube here just to lift the wax up into the end of the tube. Because it's so soft, a lot of this gets sucked inside the machine. We encounter various different consistencies of wax. I would say that excuse me, sorry, I would say that this kind of wax here, this much softer kind, is one of the more common types that we come across. It's usually a little bit more difficult to remove just because it's stuck to the canal walls a lot, and it usually goes everywhere it shouldn't be. So what we can see is we're working our way very slowly down the canal. Little chunks coming out here and there. You can see little flaps of skin in here as well. But we're just going to very slowly work our way down here. You can see we're getting a little bit deeper into the canal now, so we're getting to that closer to the eardrum there. Just trying to tease this wax away. Obviously, you don't want to go pushing too deep into this because you are resting, more than likely resting right up against the drum on this one. There we are. You can just start to see the eardrum now. So you can see that the wax is cleared from the left side of the drum. We've exposed that side of the eardrum. What we need to do now is just expose this right hand side as well. So very gently just popping the suction tube on. There we go. You can start to see it pulling from that groove just in front of the eardrum now. So we're going to try and hold this piece together. There we go. So it's come away really nicely. Just suction away these few little softer bits here now. There we go, and we'll take that one away there. Just getting that last little bit. There we go. So what you can see left on the eardrum there is discolored oil from the back end of that wax where it's been touching the canal, touching the eardrum. Sorry, we wouldn't go and remove that. That's going to come away with baths and showers. So we don't need to put the patient through having that taken off the eardrum. It's not necessary to do that. So this is the patient's second ear. So what you can see is very similar type of wax here. Just lifting from the base of the canal wall. Very, very sticky type wax as well. Even though it's soft, it is very sticky in consistency. Lifting this up, you can see we're really trying to get this off the base of the canal wall. It's actually got a little bit of dry skin that's lifted off there. You can see that at the base of the wax there as well. Just waiting there just to see if that very soft piece gets sucked into the machine. With a lot of these wax removals, you will get a lot of this will end up just in the tank. You won't get a lot of the wax coming out of the canal. And when you see pieces like this come out, by the time you've actually got it to take it away on the towel, it's got sucked into the machine anyway. Here we are. So we can see the eardrum there, just clearing a little space around the outside edge. There we go. Now that eardrum looks a lot shinier. You can see the oil hadn't got down as far as the other side. So this is the second patient now in our compilation. No wax to show you on the paper towel from the last one because it just all got sucked inside the machine. So as you can see, very blocked up ear canal. Strange color to this wax. This type of wax tends to be a little bit soft with harder pieces in it when you get this consistency. So you'll see now as we're looking for those harder pieces. So the suction tube will suck in all the soft stuff around those pieces, exposing those, which means we can get a good grip on them then. That's what's happening here. You can see you've got that central harder section surrounded by this very soft, squishier wax around the outside edge. So just trying to hold on to that section there to bring this out. There we go. I'm sorry we haven't been able to respond to your comments this week. As you can imagine, this is the last week before we break up for Christmas, and obviously we're doing our 12 days of Waxmas as well, which doesn't leave us a great deal of spare time at the moment. So I promise we will respond to those comments at some point. We do read them, we do look at them as they come in, and you can see you're all enjoying the 12 days of Waxmas, which is absolutely fab. So you can see that we are just working around the outside edge now. We've got the central hard section again. and it's stuck to the canal walls with this very soft, looser, stickier wax material. So I'm just trying to find a little bit of purchase around the outside edge. I want to try and keep these pieces together as much as I can. Not always possible, because as you can see here, they're folding into the suction and breaking little bits away, but this is actually sitting quite deep in the canal, and if we can get this out in one go, it's going to be a lot more comfortable for the patient. Just trying to lift this sort of drier skin material, which is what's embedded in the middle of this, out. There we are. You can see now, see the colour and the consistency has changed. You can see now we get into these harder pieces. So the outer section has been very soft, but when we get deeper in now, you can see these harder sections. You can see where this patient's been having a bit of difficulty with their hearing. This is really blocked deeper in the canal here with this large, harder lump there. Just trying to slowly work this out. Find any movement to this harder wax, but you can see it's still breaking away in pieces here. There we are. We can just start to see the eardrum now at the base. So we've taken it from that little valley in front of the drum, which is great because that's a really awkward place to take it away from. So now we need to collapse this top section down. You can see I'm trying to find anywhere around the outside edge where we can pull this forwards. Oh, by the way, I've just edited day 12. It's a short video, but it's a good video. So Christmas Day, there's a really, really interesting one to do on Christmas Day. I'm not going to big it up too much, but definitely take a look at that sometime over Christmas. It's a really, really interesting one, and I need your help with something in the video as well. So definitely watch that one. It's really good. So you can see now we've got this last section. It's come away quite a large block. You can see it was really wedged in there. We've exposed the eardrum. You can see where, as with the first patient, you can see the remnants of this wax that was left on there, the sort of oily, thinner material there. So I'm just trying to take this section from the right side, if we can, just peel that away. There we go. And just take a little bit. You can see that softer stuff there. So what that softer, mushier material you can see on the eardrum there is going to come out, you know, with general washing and sort of baths and showers, that kind of thing. But you can see where it was actually stuck to the top of the drum. So this is what we removed from that ear. We've got 2.5 centimeters there, 1 inch. So I hope you're enjoying the videos, and I shall see you for day 10. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.